तो मुझे छोड़ दो, मुझे मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने छोड़ नहीं, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया।
भागता रहा हैं?
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। मैंने कुछ नहीं किया।
सर ये क्या कर रहे हो आप? सर दिस इज अ शो सर, ये क्या कर रहे हो आप? सिर्फ अ शो, यू कांट डू लाइक दिस।
मूल वृत्ति का मतलब समझता है
क्या?
इंस्टिंक्ट। और इंस्टिंक्ट या तो होता है या फिर नहीं होता है। मेरा सॉलिड है इंस्टिंक्ट। लेके जाओ उसको।
छोड़ नहीं हम, छोड़ नहीं हम, छोड़ नहीं हम, छोड़ नहीं हम, अरे छोड़ नहीं हम।
To instinct and leave the basics out, but yeah, instincts, you're correct, thank you. But you know, हमें तो इंस्पेक्टर जसविंदर सिंह ने तो बता दिया ट्रेलर में भी कह के कि मूल वृत्ति यानी कि इंस्टिंक्ट इट इज, एंड हमें मूल वृत्ति का तो अभी समझ आ गई कि क्या है, बट आई वांट टू आस्क आप सभी से कि इन 3 आरोपियों में से 60 करोड़ के डायमंड्स कौन उड़ा ले गया? आपको क्या लगता है? आरोपी नंबर 1, आरोपी नंबर 2 या आरोपी नंबर 3? You know, I know, yeah, we got to wait till the 29th. That's a good answer. You've taken my dialogue there. Thank you. But I have to say, आप जसविंदर सिंह यानी कि हमारे जिमी शेरगिल बहुत खुश होंगे बिकॉज उन्हें यहाँ इतना सपोर्ट मिल रहा है कि वो बता रहे हैं, आप सब बता रहे हैं कौन आरोपी होगा, 1, 2 या 3. Well, as she rightly mentioned, that we will get to know only on the 29th of November when it drops on Netflix. Well, with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's bring on stage director, original films, Netflix, Ruchika Kapoor Sheikh. A rocking welcome to you and good to see you.
Likewise. Good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for being here. आपने देखा ना क्या हुआ? Recording की अच्छे से? Thank you so much for being here. And I feel very privileged that I get to be amidst such a phenomenal cast of Avinash Tiwari, Jimmy Shergill and Mr. Rajiv Mehta, and a really prolific director who I've been a fan of him since always, Mr. Neeraj Pandey. Today is so special because सिकंदर का मुकद्दर एक बड़ा रोमांचक सफर है. इस पे मिस्ट्री है, थ्रिल है, कॉप्स है, एक्शन है और बहुत ट्विस्ट्स एंड टर्न्स है. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू आर रेडी फॉर इट, बट 29 नवंबर तक वक्त है तो फट से आप रेडी हो जाओ. In fact, when Neeraj Pandey decided to work with us on this story, after the phenomenal success of Khaki the Bihar chapter, we were so happy that we get to tell this diamond heist thriller together. और थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं हमारे wonderful cast की. जो सिकंदर है, sweet सा, innocent सा, regular सा, जो actually face value पे बिल्कुल आप नहीं ले सकते. उनके नसीब की डोर है जिमी शेरगिल के हाथों में. बड़ा मंझा हुआ खिलाड़ी है. इस सिकंदर का मुकद्दर बस जिमी शेरगिल के हाथों में है. Coming to Jimmy sir, who's played a cop whose instinct and मूल वृत्ति से मैं भी नहीं बच पाए. And I'm hoping that for some reason you guys get caught in his मूल वृत्ति because after that the events are just exciting. Finally, Mr. Rajiv Mehta, who so far had such wonderful comedic roles that he's entertained us with, who will be seen in an absolute never before seen avatar. सिकंदर का मुकद्दर, how do I put this? It's a cat and mouse game. एक तरफ बहुत relatable और दूसरी तरफ बिल्कुल unforgettable. तो इस कहानी की डोर अब आपके हाथ में. इसका मुकद्दर अब ऑडियंस और मीडिया के हाथों में. I hope you enjoyed the film as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ruchika. Thank you. You know what? I have to compliment you and say that we started with a live stunt, then we followed by a Zabardast blockbuster trailer, and you were on the icing on the cake because the way you described and gave us deep dive into the insights. So thank you so much. So beautifully the story was told. So thank you.
Thank you. I hope I haven't told too much because ये तो 2 मिनट भी नहीं है फिल्म का.
Of course.
नहीं है. बहुत है फिल्म में.
But she's the one who's been my biggest supporter, and she's saying, yeah, 29 November, you got to wait and watch. That's what. Yes. Well, with that, Ruchika, with your permission, shall we call the star cast on stage?
Before we do, I actually want to talk about the surprise package of the film, which is Tamanna. I'm a fan of her magnetic presence. We've all seen her dance, but when I saw this film, the emotion, the depth, and the challenge that she brought to it is phenomenal. So thank you to the entire cast, thank you to the crew who worked relentlessly, and thank you, Mr. Neeraj Pandey, for choosing us to tell this wonderful story with.
Thank you for always dishing out the best content and giving us Sikandar Ka Muqaddar. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, with that, with your permission, we'll call the lead cast of Sikandar Ka Muqaddar on stage. Sabse pehle, ROP number 1. Please welcome Rajiv Mehta Urf Mangesh Desai. Before I get you seated, I have a question for you. Now, this is, I have to compliment you, first of all, the trailer is fabulous, spectacular.
Thank you.
And this is your baby. And it's, इसलिए, फिलहाल क्या हो रहा है दिल में? Is it excitement, nervousness, satisfaction? What is the feeling like?
Satisfaction, basically, that we are able to bring this to you guys. Thank you all for coming and turning up in these numbers. And we are very happy to present Sikandar Ka Muqaddar trailer, and we are waiting for the 29 to drop it. Yeah.
We are also eagerly waiting. I request you please be seated. Thank you. Thank you. If I could, yep. I know हमारे मीडिया के दोस्तों के काफी सारे सवाल हैं उनके जहन में जो पूछना चाहेंगे, पर उससे पहले कुछ सवाल मैं पूछ लेता हूं. How are you? Good to see you. Good to see a lot of familiar faces from the world of media. Thank you so much for joining us here. And इससे पहले कि आप सवाल पूछें, मैं थोड़े सवाल पूछ लेता हूं, थोड़ा deep dive करता हूं और into the world of Sikandar Ka Muqaddar and get to know it even better. सबसे पहले तो ट्रेलर देखकर बहुत सारे सवाल हैं मन में, पर आपसे एक बहुत सिंपल सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं कि 60 करोड़ के डायमंड्स किसके पास हैं?
It's actually with Ruchika more than anyone else. No, you'll have to wait till the 29th to find out और उम्मीद है कि मतलब इससे आपको देखते हुए उतना ही मज़ा आएगा जितना हमको इसको बनाते हुए आया है. बहुत अच्छी जर्नी रही है विद ऑल द टैलेंट दैट इज इन्वॉल्व्ड. Some of them are on stage right now, and we had a fantastic journey on this one, and I'm confident that you guys will enjoy it.
Yes, वो कहते हैं सब्र का फल यहाँ पर ब्लॉकबस्टर होने वाला है.
Hope so.
एंड यू नो उसका जवाब तो हमें जसविंदर सिंह देंगे ऑन द 29th ऑफ नवंबर कि कौन एक्चुअली किसने चुराए ये हीरे. बट नीरज सर, आपकी हर फिल्म में कहानी के साथ साथ कैरेक्टर्स का भी स्पेशल फ्लेवर होता है. एंड मेरा सवाल ये है कि एक हाइस्ट मूवी में एक तरफ एक्साइटमेंट, किसने चोरी की, क्यों चोरी की, चोर को पकड़ा कैसे जाएगा, एंड द लिस्ट इज लॉन्ग. दूसरी तरफ स्टेइंग ट्रू टू द कैरेक्टर्स दैट यू हैव विजुअलाइज्ड एंड कंसीव्ड. कितना मुश्किल या आसान होता है आपके लिए टू मेंटेन दैट बैलेंस?
It's actually my job, so I don't think that it's a challenge or anything of that sort. When I and Vipul were writing this particular script, it just flowed very organically, and that's a good sign. जब स्क्रिप्ट करते हुए आप किसी भी स्टम्बलिंग ब्लॉक को इनकाउंटर नहीं करते हैं और चीज़ें बहुत आसानी से जो है वो फ्लो में आ जाती हैं, that's a great sign, and that's exactly what happened on सिकंदर का मुकद्दर. And then the only thing that we had to do was cast it right, and I believe that we've cast it just right.
The trailer does definitely say it's picture perfect, so
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Ruchika, my question's for you. Now, this is the second collaboration with Neeraj sir and Friday Storytellers for Netflix. First one was Khaki, the Bihar chapter, which was yet again a super hit. What makes Netflix and you want to collaborate with storyteller and a filmmaker like Neeraj sir?
I mean, what's not to collaborate with him? I think the one thing that really sets Neeraj sir apart from a lot of wonderful other storytellers is he genuinely knows the pulse of the audience. In his telling and in all his stories, he's so authentic, he's so deeply local, so true to the milieu that it belongs to. And yet, at the same time, in spite of a lot of the heist and the dishonesty, there is a very clear honesty of a storyteller. And when Khaki, the Bihar chapter, had a phenomenal run, we were very keen that when and if Neeraj ever chooses to make a direct-to-digital streaming film, we are the one-stop shop, and we're hoping that we can keep finding space to tell the most wonderful stories that he has at bay.
Thank you.
And we keep just clicking on to-doom.
To-doom, yes.
Thank you. राजू सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है.
जी.
स्टेज और स्क्रीन के आप एक वेटरन एक्टर हैं, एंड आपकी कॉमिक टाइमिंग के तो हम सब फैंस हैं, सो थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग द बेस्ट ऑफ यू. पर इस फिल्म में आप एक अलग अवतार में हैं. फिल्म के दौरान, जो शूटिंग के दौरान आपको कोई यादगार मोमेंट आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
For that matter, every scene I enjoyed as an actor, since I was working with Neeraj ji for the first time, and we all know his genre and his style of making. तो मेरे लिए एक सीन था जो अविनाश के साथ था, जेल के अंदर. हम दोनों हैं, जेल में बैठे हुए हैं, और I was just thinking before giving the shot. I asked Neeraj ji कि मैं बैठ के करूं ये सीन, इस तरह करूं, इस तरह thought process with incomplete lines or searching for words and all. तो नीरज जी ने मुझे कहा कैसे, जरा करके दिखाओ. तो मैंने I just enacted and okay. तो this was the thing, and I think बहुत बुरा नहीं किया वो मैंने सीन.
वो हमें बहुत पसंद आया जो भी हमने ट्रेलर में देखा है, और जैसा हम सब कह रहे कब से कि 29 नवंबर तक हमें इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. We look forward to it.
It's a nail biting drama. आप इस तरह फिल्म नहीं देखोगे, आप इस तरह देखोगे फिल्म.
Edge of the seat.
So yeah, that's for sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, Avinash, my questions for you. Now, you played such diverse characters on screen, और देखा हमने कि जो मेहनत आप करते हैं हर कैरेक्टर के लिए to stand out on screen when you're performing, इस रोल में ढलने के लिए mentally काफी preparation लगी होगी इसके लिए. Did you go with the flow, or did you prepare a lot? What was the process like?
No, this one especially I felt was more go with the flow. This is the first time I was working with Neeraj sir where he was directing it, And this was something I was really looking forward to get a chance to be on set with him. I think of the limited experience that I have being an actor, I have never met a director who is so quick to take decisions. He's someone who just, he's just on the go. You walk onto set, and by the time you say, good morning, so, good morning, ये shot ये है. It's that, and associate को बोलेंगे कि call, pack up, जब तक हम मुड़ के देखते हैं, सर गाड़ी में बैठकर निकल चुके हैं. That's how Neeraj sir is. So when you're on set, you're continuously working. That's a frame of mind. It's a very focused set. And hence, for me, this one was something just went on with the flow because he just kept giving the insights into how I take this. Also, the beauty is, and you'll see that in the film, there are a lot of long, steady one-shots in the film, which makes the whole process very different because you do long shots. If there is any mistake, you do a retake again, and then you keep going on long again and again. I just felt going with the flow was the perfect way to deal with this film, and I hope once it comes on 29th, people enjoy it.
And it's evident in the trailer that we've seen, so wishing you the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tamanna, I was really happy that trailer दो बार play हुआ, believe me or not, because I was looking for that glamorous Tamanna that we always used to, and then when I met you, I was like, okay, looking like a diva, but it's a surprise for us in a complete de-glam avatar that we've seen you in the trailer, and we'll be seeing you in the film as well. So was it a challenge for you?
Actually, good afternoon, everybody. It's been a while. I've always played different kind of characters, and I think I mostly did them in the in the South Indian films, and I didn't get an opportunity to do it in Hindi films. But when Neeraj sir called me for this, I was wondering, normally तो मुझ पे दिल चुराने का आरोप होता है, but इस बार मुझ पे हीरे चुराने का आरोप लगा है. So I was like, मेरी मूल रीति कह रही है कि ये वाली पिक्चर तो करनी चाहिए. तो उसके बाद मुलाकात हुई अविनाश से, जो कि कह रहे हैं कि बहुत ही उन्होंने of course उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत ही मेहनती एक्टर हैं, बट मुझे उनके साथ काम करके लगा कि वो बहुत ही एफर्टलेस एक्टर हैं. इनफैक्ट जब कभी कभार मैं एक सीन में उनके साथ होती हूँ तो मुझे इनफैक्ट रियलाइज़ नहीं होता कि वो अपने डायलॉग्स बोल रहे हैं, एंड बहुत इंटरनलाइज करते हैं, बहुत खूबसूरती से परफॉर्म करते हैं. एंड आई हैड व्हाटएवर स्क्रीन स्पेस आई हैड विद Jimmy, I think he's magnetic actually on screen, and I love watching how he can just intimidate without really doing much. So that was fun to watch as an actor. And I have to say, Neeraj sir, आपकी जो फिल्में हैं, आपने जो भी स्टोरी चूज़ की है, आपने उसको कहने का तरीका इतना इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है. एज एन ऑडियंस हम बहुत बड़े फ़ैन हैं आपके, and we are very thankful, and I'm thankful for making me a part of your film. ये जो कहते रहते हैं कि जो एक इनका लंबा एक वन शॉट वाला होता है, ये मैंने इनकी काफ़ी सारी फिल्मों में देखा है, बट उसे एक्सपीरियंस करना एक एक्टर के तौर पे मेरे लिए बहुत ही मज़ेदार था. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. एंड रुचिका, मैं बैक स्टेज थी और मैं आपकी बातें सुन रही थी. आप just validating that you liked what I did means a lot to me. It's very sweet of you. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब जिससे मैं बहुत I look up to Neeraj sir, and the fact that he thought of me for this character, it feels great. And Rajiv sir और मेरी काफ़ी बनी वैसे हमारे शूटिंग के दौरान. I don't know.
बात है, वो शाम के 7 बजे हमें कहीं ले जाना चाहते थे, अभी तक लेके
हम गए नहीं.
ये सारे आरोपी एक साथ हैं.
We are hoping आपके प्रमोशन के दौरान थोड़ी मुलाकात हो जाएगी.
But I'm glad कि आपकी मूल वृत्ति रंग लाई, and wishing you the best. Jimmy, my next question for the magnetic personality here. Jimmy, congratulations, looking absolutely rugged, dapper. We love the beard look, looking pretty cool. सबसे पहले सवाल पूछने से पहले सारे हमारे यहाँ के मीडिया के दोस्त हैं, उनके लिए वो बायोपिक वाला डायलॉग अगर आप एक बार उसी अंदाज में बोल के दिखाएं, प्लीज. क्या कहती है पब्लिक? यस,
सारे डायलॉग आप लोग आज ही इधर ही बुलवा लो. गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. इन्होंने पहले वो एक्शन में 1-2 डायलॉग उधर ठोकवा लिए, बच्चे कुछ जो हैं वो अभी बुलवा लेंगे, अभी पिक्चर यहीं खत्म हो जाएगी. So this is, I think, तेरी बायोपिक का टाइटल है सिकंदर का मुकद्दर और उसका डायरेक्टर हूं मैं.
You were right when you said magnetic. Thank you for impressing us once again. Thank you. Well, आपका जो नाम है, आपका रियल लाइफ नेम है जिमी शेरगिल, उसमें शेर है, और आपका रियल लाइफ नाम है वो जसविंदर सिंह है. जसविंदर, there's win, और शेर हमेशा जीतता है. शेर will definitely win, और हमें यकीन है 29 नवंबर को on Netflix you will help us find out who the ROP is and चोर असली चोर कौन है. बट हमें बताइए कि सिकंदर का मुकद्दर में जसविंदर का रोल प्ले करते वक्त आपने जिमी शेरगिल यानी खुद के बारे में क्या डिस्कवर किया?
मैं खुद को डिस्कवर करने के लिए पिक्चर थोड़ा की थी.
But while you're in the character,
नीरज इतने बेहतरीन डायरेक्टर हैं, बात अलग है. इज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, और थोड़ा सा वक्त चेंज होता दिख रहा है. अब दोस्तों ने भी कास्ट करना वापस से शुरू कर दिया है. अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड when obviously when we did औरों में कहाँ दम था, and suddenly then this thing comes up, and I read the script, and I loved it, and then we had a lot of discussions about things and everything and how he was looking at it and all that. And then finally the dialogue draft came, and I was really excited. I said ये थोड़ा और मज़ेदार वाला मामला होने वाला है. और फिर उसके बाद आई थिंक हम सब ने मेहनत की, सब लोगों ने, और बहुत एंजॉय भी किया, क्योंकि एक लंबा सा जब टेक ये लेते हैं जिसके ये मास्टर हैं. मतलब मैंने तो 25-30 सालों से काम किया है इस इंडस्ट्री में, मगर इतने लंबे शॉट्स लेते मैंने किसी डायरेक्टर को नहीं देखा है. तो आप अगर आपके बैक से भी कैमरा जा रहा है तब भी आपको एक्टिंग करनी है, आगे से आ रहा है तब भी, तो उसका एक अलग मज़ा है. बट आई थिंक आई हैव बीन वर्किंग विद हिम सिंस हिज फर्स्ट फिल्म, सो मेरे को एक तरीके से एक आइडिया था कि ये कैसे करते हैं. बट उसके पीछे कितनी मेहनत जाती है. एक सिंगल टेक वाला जो शॉट है उसके पीछे आधे दिन की मेहनत, एंड फाइनली पोस्ट लंच एट अराउंड 3-4 o'clock you crack that shot finally, because he will not okay a shot if even one thing is here or there. So I think वो मेहनत होती है, वो मेहनत सबने की है, and I hope that 29th of November को आप लोग को पसंद आए और on Netflix.
यकीनन. और आपने जो जोर दिया डायलॉग्स पर, हमने जो ट्रेलर में देखा आपके डायलॉग डिलीवरी, तो you've impressed us already and we're looking forward to it. So thank you. And with that, I think friends from the media would be eagerly waiting to ask questions. Like Sachin, बस कर लो, हम भी पूछ लेते हैं. So I'll open the floor for media Q&A. मेरी दरख्वास्त है आप सभी से, before you ask the question, our volunteers will help you with the mic. अपना नाम बताइए, the media house or the publication that you belong to, और किससे सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं, बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो उस हिसाब से then you can direct the question to the right individual. If I could just see some, yeah, the gentleman in the red t-shirt.
Hi everyone, my name is Shreyas. I'm from the New Indian Express here, Jimmy on your left. My question is to you, Jimmy. You've worked, as you said, you've worked with Neeraj for multiple projects in the past, right from Wednesday to now. How would you exactly describe your working relationship with him in all the films that you've worked?
I think आप एक फिल्म करते हो एक डायरेक्टर के साथ, तो आप उसको जब तक वो ख़त्म होती है आप उसको समझना शुरू करते हो. दूसरी फिल्म से फिर जो है वो समझ में आने लगता है, और आई थिंक तीसरी चौथी के आसपास ऐसा हो जाता है कि आपको बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली समझ जाता है, या एक्टर हो या जो भी हो. सो व्हेन he is today, when he gives a script to read, I understand exactly in my head how he's going to shoot it, what this scene is going to be like. So I think that is the fun of it when you worked with somebody over a few films. I think वहाँ पे फर्क definitely पड़ता है.
Thank you for your question. Next, if you could raise your hand, if you have the mic with you.
I have the mic here. Hi, I'm Tanzim from Filmfare. Tamanna, to your right, actually. My question is for Tamanna. And I wanted to ask you what your experience was working with each of the cast members, because it's such a distinct cast. Everybody's just so interesting.
Like I said about Avinash, I don't think if he's prepping, his prep is really good. because on set he just came and he was flowing, and he always had intense. Like there was never a scene in which he's not intense. But you know, intensity is a very interesting thing. Like I don't think many people know how to kind of do that without doing much. And I feel like Avinash does it so effortlessly. For me, that was a great like learning. Just you know, being in the same frame with him, you know, observing him. That was really really interesting. And yes, he did take longer than me for his glam. So I'm concerned as to why that happened. And that has remained during the promotions as well. So is this the secret of your beauty? Would you like to answer that?
आप मुझे शाम के 7 बजे के बाद मिले, तब बताओ।
ये मतलब आपकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है? मीडिया जानना चाहती है। अच्छा, ये जब मेकअप उतार देंगे, then he'll give me his skincare. But but yes, it was super fun to work with Avinash. Jimmy, we had very little together, but it's wonderful to you know, work with an actor who's actually worked for so many years, has done so many different characters, and is yet feeling fresh. I think we don't credit actors who have a longevity the way we credit just, you know, one successful film and maybe stars that arrive all of a sudden. But I feel like there is a lot of merit in success that's built over a period of time. And Jimmy sir, we love that about you. We love that you've been doing so much different kind of work, and in every time you've given something fresh. So as an audience, we love watching everything that you come up with. And Rajiv sir and I really enjoyed. It was fun. He was my jamming partner. We would have all kind of conversations about food and fun stuff. And he was the one I'd drop my humor bombs on. Yeah, and he kept me like, because बहुत ही serious set था, because नीरज सर की एक खासियत है कि उनके सेट पे सब बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज रहता है, एंड आप जो हीरे की कीमत बोल रहे हो ना, वो एक मिनट को उतनी अहमियत देते हैं. तो हीरो की जितनी कीमत है उतनी उनके लिए 1 मिनट की है, और 1 मिनट का भी वेस्ट होना उनके लिए हीरे गवाने जैसा है. So I love that. I love the value for time. And that's why we shot the film in... I didn't even realize. To be honest, I felt like I just went on set, met everybody, you know, had a great time, and the film was done. And he's a director that makes the job for an actor really simple. Like, you really have to just make sure you're prepped and make sure you know everything that you want to do. And I think he's so open, like, he's just so open to us coming up with what we feel is, you know, is something that we want to do for the character. At the same time, he has very interesting boundaries for it. So it's the perfect, you know, it's the perfect balance that an actor needs to be able to, you know, do their best. So thank you for making this. And I have to mention Arvind sir. Yeah, Arvind Singh, he's our cameraman, he's a cinematographer, and he's not here today. But I have to tell you, there was a shot. The light was going, as usual. The light goes every single day. But it has always felt like the light is going, and that's like the biggest alarm for an actor in a day. And we were just about to run, and I was coming from some other location, going into another location, and chat pe tha ek shot, and everyone is going jaldi. And then I get into the shot, and Neeraj sir wanted me to hit a mark very close to the camera, and I can't see that, so I wasn't very accurate. So I was like, sir, can I have some sandbag? Sandbag ऐसी चीज होती है जिससे आप अपने पैरों को रोक पाओ. So I was like, sir, कुछ मिल सकता है? And Arvind sir, from someone else was handling the camera, he just sat down. I was like, sir, आप क्या कर रहे हो? He's like, no, I'm here to block you. And for me, you know, he just won my heart in a way that it reminds me हम फिल्में क्यों बनाते हैं और हम किस शिद्दत से फिल्में बनाते हैं, क्योंकि फिल्में हमें उस प्रोसेस से प्यार है. And when I met sir, it was just wonderful to see that, you know, we don't celebrate technical crew as much as we celebrate, say, actors. But honestly, these films can't be made by some very strong, insanely strong technical group. So thank you for a wonderful team and a wonderful experience.
Thank you, Tamanna, and you quite literally brought that moment alive in front of us visually. So thank you for transporting us there. Thank you. And to Avinash sir as well, a big shout out. He's not here, but I'm sure he'll be watching this later. But a big shout out to him as well.
Arvind Singh.
Arvind sir, thank you so much. And next question,
Hi.
Whoever's the mic, if you can, that'll be great.
Yes, hi. Right next to you. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. This is Kunal here from IWM Buzz. Avinash, my question is for you. Obviously, it's been a varied, sense of filmography so far, considering OTT and theatrical so far. But you obviously were in, all the news for the right reasons, where Laila Majnu re-released, and all the love that it's got now. You played a lovelorn romantic there, and it's been a while. Then you've had intense roles in one way or another. So, is there going to be a side of that in one way or another in this one? Is that going to happen?
I mean, you're talking about playing a lover again?
Yeah, like a lovelorn romantic,
So real life में खेल लेता हूँ मैं बहुत. No, but honestly, I mean, it's a great podium to ask this question. Netflix and Neeraj sir are sitting right here. You should put this question to them. I'm always looking forward to parts that I can enjoy and really give my all to. That's what really excites me. So for now, I'm enjoying whatever has come my way. This one is something that I'm sure that people are going to enjoy. Find it very relatable, and at the same time, like he said, it's an edge of a seat thriller, which I think will create an experience which will be different from all the other work that you would have seen of mine. And I hope you enjoy it. So 29th November.
Hello.
Thank you.
Rajiv ji, my question to you here.
If you could please rise, then they'd be able to see. If you could stand up, thank you. That way they'd be able to identify.
To my left or to my right?
Cameramans are behind me, so I don't want to stand up. Rajiv ji, I'll sit down and will ask you.
जी, हिंदी में.
हिंदी में पूछूं? Okay. राजीव जी, आपके कैरेक्टर्स में हमेशा हमने एक यूनिक प्रेजेंस देखी है आपकी. तो आपका ये जो कैरेक्टर है मंगेश देसाई, इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? एंड व्हाट रियली एक्सेप्ट यू टू साइन दिस रोल, एंड हाउ वाज द ओवरऑल वर्किंग विद नीरज जी?
अरे, bottom line is it was a privilege for me to work with दिग्गज जो हमारे डायरेक्ट बैठे हुए हैं, नीरज पांडे साहब. For me it was a privilege to work with him, क्योंकि basically I'm a theatre and television actor. गिनी चुनी 4-5 फिल्में की थी इसके पहले मैंने, जिसके बारे में lesser said the better. This was a special film for me, क्योंकि जो किरदार मेरा है मंगेश देसाई का, very innocent, बहुत सीधा साधा simple innocent आदमी है, 60 साल का, बड़ी शिद्दत से अपने एम्प्लॉयर के लिए he is showcasing diamonds in an exhibition, and one fine day he's there is diamond robbery, and he's turning point है उसकी life में, because he's cornered and he's targeted as one of the convicts, one of the ROP, and despite of all this turmoil, and he stood by this fellow suspects, Kamini and Avinash. So lot many twists and turns in character. And
मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, मंगेश innocent दिखता है या है?
Basically भी हूँ. तो ये माजरा है, ये this is definitely a special film for me.
सर, आपके जवाब ने हमको ऑलरेडी एज ऑफ द सीट कर दिया, क्योंकि आप इतना बता रहे थे, ऐसा लगा था आरोपी अब बता देंगे.
बाहर निकलने वाली है. I was like, रुचिका is going to go like.
Thank you. If you have the mic, if you could raise your hand, and then please.
Hello. Hi. Who's asking? Hi, this is Seema here.
Hi, Seema, on the right. Here, Seema.
Yes. Hi. Ruchika, I want to ask you, among the various successful thrillers that Netflix has had, what sets this one apart from the others, and what are the elements that will keep us hooked to this?
Thank you, Seema ji, for the question. Many of the elements that will keep you hooked are on stage with me. But I think besides that, in terms of the offering that we've always had, in the year we've had so far, from a very intense film like Sector 36 to Maharaj to Amar Singh Chamkila earlier this year to Haseen Dilruba, when we're finally coming to the close of the year with Neeraj sir's film, the world is very, very immersive. Like all of them have been saying, it's an edge of the seat. And very often, we've had films that have certain twists and turns, but the level of immersiveness that one feels when you enter Neeraj Pandey's world is unparalleled. I must also share a very interesting anecdote that when he sent us the script, and it was about 11 o'clock at night, he sent it in the morning, and I got back home, I was like, I'm reading a Neeraj Pandey film tonight. And the last 5 pages were missing. And I had no idea what the climax of the film was. And I texted Deve, and I texted, so I was like, I can't sleep. I couldn't. And in my head, I had my conspiracy theories. And I was like, this is how I think it's going to end. But the fact that the film had a residue and it stayed with me long after it happened was what I thought really set it apart. He spoke about honesty through the film, about ambition, about greed. And that is what I think sets a Neeraj Pandey film apart from any other thriller that there is out there.
Thank you.
Tamanna ji, on your left. Hi.
ये आवाज मैं पहचानती हूँ.
Hi. Thank you. 60 करोड़ के हीरे अगर आपको मिले या मिल जाएं तो क्या करेंगे आप?
वही था मेरा जवाब वही था. आप ही के लिए. Actually मैं आपके लिए jewelry बनाऊंगी.
अरे मैं.
I'd love to make a nice bracelet for you. अरे तो what does jewelry have to do with शादी? उसकी शादी हो कि मेरी थोड़ी नहीं हुई है. मेरी तो नहीं हुई है.
तो क्या करेंगे आप? Like
मैं ब्रेसलेट बना के आपको दूंगी.
Okay, thank you जी. Thank you.
नेकलेस पहनता है? ठीक है, फिर नेकलेस बना देंगे.
अगर मुझे 60 करोड़ मिले तो मैं नीरज जी को दे दूंगा बहुत सारी ऐसी फिल्में बनाने के लिए.
और अब फिलहाल मेरी मूल वृत्ति कह रही है कि वक्त के मद्देनजर 2 सवाल का वक्त है हमारे पास, सिर्फ 2. So if you could, whoever has the mic, अगर आप.
Neeraj Pandey, Lipika here, on your left.
Yeah, hi.
Your stories are captivating, obsessive and mysterious. So in one line, how mysterious is this? Would you explain? Without revealing the climax.
How mysterious?
Yeah.
Very mysterious.
I said one line, not 2 words.
It is very mysterious.
Anyway, the title is also very captivating.
Thank you.
सिकंदर का मुकद्दर, पर मेरे जहन में मुकद्दर का सिकंदर आ रहा है.
आना चाहिए.
हाँ.
That was the reason why we had this title, because it's a play on a film that I grew up on, loved it, and I think our entire generation sort of loved that film. And it's in a way a tribute, in a way an ode to that particular film, but nothing to do in terms of genre. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
मेरी
you.
मूल वृत्ति, अपनी मूल वृत्ति को टटोल के बताएंगे कि आपके सिकंदर ने देखा है कुछ इसमें से? अपनी मूल वृत्ति का
ऐसे डायरेक्टर है कि वो आखिरी 5 पेज नहीं देते स्क्रिप्ट के. आपको लगता है कि उनके अलावा और ये फिल्म किसी ने देखने की जरूरत?
आपके सिकंदर की बात कर रही हूँ मैं.
मेरे तो यहाँ पर सारे एक-एक करके सारा मेरी टोली है सिकंदरों की यहाँ पर, किसी ने नहीं देखी है.
डिस्कस तो किया होगा कुछ?
दिखाने ही नहीं दिया मुझे.
कुछ डिस्कस किया होगा अपने सिकंदर के साथ?
हम
लिपिका,
सेट पे इतना डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, हमें जरूरत नहीं पड़ती कहीं और जाके डिस्कस करने की.
Thank you, Lipika. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi,
Jagat Sikandar.
Yeah, here.
Hold on. Who's got the mic?
Yeah,
One last time for one last question.
Hi.
Hold on.
Hi.
Hold on. There's a mic already there. I apologize.
But I'm going to ask one.
Okay, but here we have.
नीरज, मेरा एक सवाल आपसे है. आपने शुरुआत में कहा कि आप बहुत सेटिस्फाई हैं क्योंकि कास्ट सही है. तो क्या कभी मिसकास्ट हुआ कुछ? कभी लगा कास्टिंग गलत हुई आपसे?
नहीं, fortunately अभी तक के तो नहीं. And I'm very proud of the fact that I've come across some brilliant actors in my journey, right from my first film to now. It doesn't matter if they're debuting or they're veterans. The ability to surrender to the material that we are approaching them with, that's what makes these films what they are. So in this case also, I'll just take a moment to share with you guys that we had readings. When people say that it's ek lamba take tha and we spend time, there's a lot of effort that goes before you land on set. You do readings with your actors, and we had readings with all 3 of them and Rajiv Bhai. individually, and they were really primed and prepped to land on the set and just deliver what's asked of them. And it's only when you sort of are prepared to that degree. अविनाश तो ज़्यादा ही prepared होता था तो वो आके disturb करना शुरू कर देता था लोगों को. बाकी everybody was on their toes. And yeah, that's the reason we managed to make what we eventually managed to make.
Thank you.
Thank you. We
hi,
have time for
one
two
question.
more questions. Yes, please go ahead.
Finally, thank you.
Yes.
मेरा सवाल राजीव जी के साथ है. राजीव जी एकदम सामने देख. इधर.
जी. Here on the left.
ना थोड़ा सा और लेफ्ट की तरफ.
वो कैमरा एंगल.
ओके ओके.
ओके मैं एक्चुअली मेरा दिल घबरा रहा है कि मैं आपको राजीव जी बुलाऊं या फिर आपको प्रफुल्ल बुला दूं. मेरी बहुत इच्छा हो रही है आपको प्रफुल्ल बुलाने की.
प्लीज प्लीज राजीव जी.
चलिए मैं आपसे ये जान
क्योंकि प्रफुल्ल क्या है, खिचड़ी लोग बन भी गई, लोगों ने खा भी ली, डकार भी ले लिया. अभी लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस फिल्म.
अरे आपको अभी भी मालूम नहीं शायद बड़ा है, लोग अभी भी आपके बहुत बड़े वाले फैन इंक्लूडिंग मी. थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग सच रोल्स एंड सच प्लेसेस. आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ राजीव जी, आपने थिएटर किया है, गुजराती में बहुत बड़ा नाम है, आप खिचड़ी के जरिए लोगों के दिलों में बसे हुए हैं. ऐसे में आप OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे जब आते हैं तब आपको OTT में क्या नज़र आता है जो बहुत अट्रैक्टिव लगता है? आपके खुद के नज़रिए से हो सकता है, घर वालों से भी आपको कुछ चीज़ें आपने नोट करता है ना, हर एक्टर वैसा कुछ किया हो.
सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि OTT में पहली बार मैं काम कर रहा हूँ OTT प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए, तो मुझे तो बहुत ब्राइट फ्यूचर लग रहा है और आई एम हैप्पी टू वर्क ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. तो और क्या
अगर आप इसकी कुछ अच्छाइयाँ आपको जो नजर में आती हैं पिछले कुछ सालों में.
इतना एक्सपीरियंस हुआ नहीं हूँ ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे कि उसकी बारीकियाँ, ये अच्छा है ये बुरा है, वो मैं तय कर सकूँ या उसके बारे में कुछ कह सकूँ. लेट मी go ahead more and then I'll be in that position to say about it.
Hi, last question.
Yes, thank you for doing that on my behalf. Thank you.
Hi, Disha Jasoria from Filmi Gyan. Instincts की बहुत बात चल रही है. Tammy and Avinash, a question for you. Personal life में are you guys very instinctive? Friendship हो गई, प्यार हो गया, क्या आप instinct पे बहुत जाते हैं या is it very practical for you guys?
So I ever believe that instincts get shaped up by your conditioning, your understanding and exposure of life, your own opinions, your own. So I think eventually in life you're instinctive, but it comes from your own exploration of life, your own ideas, your own opinions. मेरे लिए कहना बड़ा मुश्किल है, but in life generally if you ask me, it's my instincts that take over, but there is some thought to it. I would like to believe.
Tamanna?
I'm extremely instinctive. Like my entire being works on instinct. Sorry, that's मूल वृत्ति. मूल वृत्ति. I think मूल वृत्ति के बिना शायद ही मैं I think मैंने अपने लाइफ के सारे सबसे बड़े decisions अपने मूल वृत्ति से ही लिए हैं और आज भी ऐसे ही लेती हूँ. And I feel like that's दिमाग आपको क्वेश्चन कराता है, लेकिन अब जब मन में आपको आपका मूल वृत्ति आपको एक अजीब किस्म का क्लैरिटी देता है, लेकिन अगर आप अपने दिमाग से वो सवाल जवाब करने बैठ जाओगे तो वो आपको यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह ले जाएगा. लेकिन मूल वृत्ति नॉर्मली एक ही बात बोलती है, 2-3 बातें नहीं बोलती. तो that's nicer to trust something that says one thing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to all of
जी
you in the media.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन जिमी साहब से मेरा. जी जिमी साहब, हमने आपको मोहब्बत फिल्म में देखा, ए वेडनेसडे में देखा, सब में आपने अलग अलग रोल किए. मेरा नाम शिवली रामपुरी जर्नलिस्ट. मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आपने इतने अच्छे रोल निभाए हैं, अलग अलग भूमिकाएं की हैं, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आई हैं, तो आपके मन में कोई ऐसा रोल करने का है कि जो आपका ड्रीम्स हो कि मैं ये रोल करूँ, वो बताइए आप.
है कहीं कोई बैठा हुआ लिख रहा है?
अच्छा,
कुछ ऐसा लिख रहा है जो उसे पता है कि इसने किया नहीं है,
तो अभी
जिस दिन वो मेरे तक पहुंच गया वो वही होगा.
अच्छा, अभी यानी दिल में तमन्ना है उस रोल को करने की?
जी हाँ, बहुत सारी तमन्नाएं हैं.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
बहुत सारी तमन्नाएं भाई साहब. अभी तो खड़े हुए हैं, डराना बाकी है.
फिलहाल हमारी तमन्ना है कि ये गुड कॉप हैं, मैं बैड कॉप बनूंगा, एंड दैट्स ऑल द टाइम वी हैव फॉर द Q&A. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. फोटो ऑफ कोर्स, आपका हुक्म सर आंखों पर. मैं आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज.
ये सेंटर देखना.
Rolling. The name is very interesting and always reminded us Mr. Bachchan's movie. This is the
Of course, the first time we heard the name, I was definitely like Sikandar ka Muqaddar. मुझे 2 second, then it makes sense also. So I think the sound has an appeal to it. I think it the first time I heard it, it really made me very excited because लगता है कि अरे वो वही फिल्म तो नहीं है. But the title has so much of significance. When you see the film, you'll understand it on 29th. So हम शायद उसके बाद बात करें इस बारे में कि टाइटल कैसा है और कैसे फिट बैठता है इस फिल्म के.
The same question. The title is of course हम सब मुकद्दर का सिकंदर कहते हैं, तो आई एम श्योर ये लोग इसमें इंटरेस्ट तो जरूर लेंगे. और जब पहली बार सुना था तो जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, आई यूज्ड टू गेट रियली कंफ्यूज्ड इन द टाइटल. आई कॉल्ड इट रॉन्ग मेनी अ टाइम्स, बट आई गेस पीपल आर गोना लाइक इट. इट साउंड्स हैप्पी.
पहले बार अपना स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी रिएक्शन क्या था फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने रेड द स्क्रिप्ट तो रिएक्शन क्या था?
It's the shortest script that I had read. मैंने इतनी छोटी स्क्रिप्ट कभी पढ़ी नहीं थी और जब मैंने देखा तो मुझे लगा कि फिल्म पूरी शायद है नहीं. फिर बाद में पता चला कुछ पेजेस भी नहीं मिले थे और शूट के काफ़ी करीब आकर लास्ट के जो 5 पन्ने हैं हमें वो काफ़ी समय बाद मिले. माई फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट अगर आपने मुझसे पूछा तो मुझे लगा ये बहुत छोटी स्क्रिप्ट है. एंड ओनली व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट डिड वी रियलाइज हाउ इट opens up into this film that we have made. So yeah, that's my.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब डायरेक्टर्स मुझे एक अनप्रिडिक्टेबल रोल में डालते हैं जहाँ पर नॉर्मली लोग मुझे नहीं मेरे बारे में नहीं सोचते. एंड आई फील लाइक एज एन एक्टर दिस इज व्हाट एक्साइट्स मी द मोस्ट. ये मेरे काम का सबसे मेरा इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है कि जहाँ पर आई गेट टू प्ले डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स. I love experimenting and doing different stuff. So इस साल में जो भी मेरा काम बाहर आया है, I think this will be very very fresh for people to watch.
No, I think Neeraj has always been very organized, very precise as far as scripts are concerned, and like Tamanna was mentioning, that everything is very organized when you're shooting with it. All you need to do is know your part and do your part. You know what I mean? Which is a very big thing because his shots are very long. In my 30 years, I've not seen many people who randomly choreograph such long shots for a 5-page, 6-page scene to be told in like a single shot is an amazing experience even for actors because you know, you have to be on your guard.
That was crazy.
Every moment. Up camera's left me, now it's gone somewhere else, but I have to run and come from behind and be there so that you know I get the perfect entry. And we keep rehearsing for it sometimes from early morning till and we probably get it right by say 2 o'clock because it's a long shot. It could be a 10-minute shot. So he's known for that. West, I think he was always a workaholic. He still is a workaholic. It is a great thing.
I think मुझे नीरज sir, sorry, this question wasn't even directed to me, but I'll just tell you one thing that I felt like he cinematically treats a lot of very real moments, and I feel like that's why there is. हमने जब उनकी फिल्में देखी हमें मैजिकल लगा है क्योंकि वो बहुत ही मंडेन चीज़ों को बहुत ही सिनेमैटिकली ट्रीट करते हैं. वो बहुत पसंद है उनके काम का, and I got an opportunity to first hand see how he does it. So yeah, that was fun. Working with Neeraj definitely gives me that prep is everything, and I feel like it's very nice to be on a set जहाँ सब बहुत organized होता है. आपका काम आप सिर्फ अपने काम पर फोकस कर सकते हो, आपको किसी भी चीज़ की टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I feel like that is one takeaway for me. And then also the comfort of just working with some wonderful actors. I'll be honest with you because
only when you have very supportive actors. Like there was this one scene I remembered, it was a very important scene, and I had a, if that's, and I know there's a writer's block, but if there's an actor's block, then I had that on that day.
Oh.
Yeah, that. And it was a very important scene, and I don't know what happened, but for whatever reason I blanked out. And I was, and he was just so kind, and I think his part was more difficult than my part. But he was, he supported me through that scene without really making me feel like taking so long, or he actually just supported me so much in that scene. So
She's
thank
just
you.
being her humble self, very honestly.
मैंने इसकी इतनी तारीफ की है, इसने एक भी तारीफ नहीं किया. I'm really like probing him. I told him backstage
अब
also.
कुछ तो तारीफ,
कुछ तो बोल दो,
थोड़े
ऐसे
पैसे
बुरा
मिल जाते,
लगेगा.
थोड़े पैसे मिल जाते, बोलना
तुम
सिंधी
सिंधी से पैसे मांग रहे हो? Really? Very ambitious.
Tamanna, see, so the first instinct I'll tell you, I'd never met her. I just realized, I don't know if I should say this, so I met her and realized that I had first met her when she was in her 9th standard, and
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oh God,
and,
this is
and
such a crazy story.
yeah, so I'm not giving you details.
No, you
but
should say it. You should say it. It's so insane. It's
so
true.
yeah, but there was a workshop, a modeling workshop, was it?
Something. We were doing some acting, some
workshop it was. I think I'd finished my 12th and I thought of I wanted to be an actor, and I was taking some workshop. And when I went in there, everyone was elder to me because we were still young. There was only one person who was younger to me, and that was her. And of course, she looked as pretty when she was in her 9th standard. So she was remarkable. Her presence is something you can't forget. I came back, I saw her in films, and I wasn't sure if she's the same person that I'd seen in the workshop until we met now. So this is, I'm talking about back in 2002-3, if I'm...
must be 4. Yeah, 4 or 5.
Around that?
No, actually, you're right. 2002.
2002-3. Yeah. And we met finally on set here. And my first experience was, this person is so warm. She's so warm. I don't know how to say this. वो एक उनकी एक inherent niceness है, वो इनके माता पिता से शायद आई होगी, but वो आप तक पहुंचती है. So for me, the person really came much stronger. Then we started doing our character work, and we it became easier for us to really get into doing what we had to. But that warmth is what really I think we kind of made us friends, and then we got into working on this film.
Good, very good.
और थोड़ा लिख कर आता हूँ.
हाँ, अगले.
So, sir, क्या ही बोलूँ मैं sir अब, हाँ, क्या ही. So, I had mentioned it to him when I was thinking of wanting to be an actor, and you look around actors for inspiration, and for some reason when I saw him, I used to feel like मैं शायद ऐसा वाला actor बनूँ. शायद, this was a thought that used to come, and I remember reading interviews that he used to give. I think Machis के बाद आपका कोई interview आया था paper में, and I was in my engineering college. I remember sitting down with it and saying ये जो इन्होंने लिखा है ना, this is what I need to do to be the actor that I want to be. And then finally to sit down with him and do the scenes, it was, वो क्या बोलते हैं, manifestation बोलने, coming a full circle बोलने. When we sat down together, आमने सामने सीधा सीन ही शुरू वैसे हुआ. तो मुझे कई बार ऐसे फ्लैशेस आते थे, याद है जब तू पहुंच गया. So I used to take a lot of joy in it, just sitting in front of him and being able to perform. It was a great amount of joy and fun for me. Younger Lord मत बोलो. Look at him. Yeah.
Actually, I have to say that only in our country, I think actors get better as they evolve, right?
Yeah.
As they grow older. I think actors get better.
Hope so.
I
Some
think so.
do. He's like,
Some do.
मुझे बहुत मजा आया, मैं बहुत हंसा करते थे उसके ऊपर. अविनाश ने तो I loved him in like, I remember when I watched Kaki, I told Neeraj that boys, अचानक से फिर when I finally met him, I was like, यार ये तो अच्छा था, गोरा सा लड़का है. So yeah, बहुत फन आ गया सब. So that was his character. They had worked on and everything like that. काफी English type का और
English type.
वैसा लड़का लगा और उसमें एकदम मैंने कहा this is how good an actor a
I have
person
to
is
mention the first time I met him यहाँ पे नीरज सर के ऑफिस में. So नीरज सर had called me कि एक फिल्म है, बात करनी है मुझे. I walked in. I didn't know he was sitting there. I had no idea what the film is. I walked in. नीरज सर एक तरफ, जिमी सर एक तरफ, मैं बीच में बैठा हूँ और ये दोनों लोग एक शब्द नहीं कह रहे. This nicely sitting और सब good, very good. और सब ठीक. 10-15 मिनट तक एक शब्द नहीं बोल रहे हैं. They hardly say a
Neeraj
word.
sir is, you're actually nice. It's fun.
No, you should have. I'm telling you, the
They were
first
just
time I
trying
met
to
him, he did.
intimidate you then.
I was like, क्या क्यों बुला लिया मुझे, इनके बीच में क्यों बैठा हूँ मैं, एक
Why are
शब्द
you
नहीं कह
performing
रहे.
on screen or off screen also? You're trying to scare him. Were you trying to intimidate him?
No,
the
I
only-
just come in 5 minutes before he came. So even I was
So you also didn't
pretty clueless about as to what are we going to discuss because he had given
We
me
didn't
the
discuss
script to
anything.
read.
3 of us sat. Then finally sir got up and.
अच्छा मुझे भी जब स्क्रिप्ट दी गई थी पढ़ने के लिए तो पूरा प्री क्लाइमैक्स और क्लाइमैक्स था ही नहीं उसमें. तो he had told me work in progress but आप यहाँ तक पढ़ो then we'll discuss. So we had discussed it, he liked it. So I think probably he just wanted both of us to meet and everything like that and then forgot to introduce us.
Yeah, he just, you know, and we sat down.
Best.
Last two questions and then we'll wrap up.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
Brilliant.
guys.
Lovely.
Fun.
Thank you.